Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can apply doppelganger effect on CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut and we're going to practice how we can add doppelganger effect to this video. So the first thing we have to do is clicking on this effect button. Click on the effect button, then you're going to select body effect, and on this body effect you can choose the clone category. So this is the clone category, tap on it, then this is the doppelganger effect, just tap on it. Then you can adjust the effect guys. You just need to click on adjust button right here, then you can adjust the twist, speed, amount, intensity, and you can also rotate the effect. And for me, I'm not gonna adjust it, so I'm just going to click on this check mark button. Okay, and now we can make the effect align with the video. So you can click on this effect like this right here, then you can drag it like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play the video. So let's see. Okay, and this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply doppelganger effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.